Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for Grade 1. We are learning Unit 8. Its title is Importance of Plants and Trees. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is, or modify it for your convenience. I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Yes, my dear students, today under the title of Pronunciation Skill Language Focus, we are going to learn about beginning sound. Before this, in Unit 2, I have taught you about beginning sound. I hope you remember this concept. If not, you may watch this video lecture again, and we are going to learn further to identify the words that begins with the same sound. This is our today's SLO. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran, Surah Al-Muzammil, verse 4, and recite the Quran with measured recitation. Yes, my dear children, what this beautiful verse is telling us. Beta, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala teaches us everything in Quran. And here Allah is telling us, when you are reciting Quran, recite it measured, means not a lot and not speedy. We should recite it properly. Are you learning how to recite Quran? MashaAllah. So beta, one of the things which Allah is telling us, that we should recite Quran a little one, like not many of verses. We should learn to recite properly, even it's a one verse per day. Daily you should recite. You should learn to recite one verse, but it should be correct. Okay, so this is what Allah wants us to learn. So beta, this is how, whatever language we are learning, we should learn it properly and we should practice it as well. So you tell me, what is beginning sound? I have taught you about it. So what do you remember about it? Pause the video, answer this question to your teacher and then come back. Yes, my dear students, I hope you remember that the beginning sound is the first sound that you can hear when you say any word. So when you say any word, the first sound which you hear, or if you are saying it, the first sound you pronounce is beginning sound. For example, here, when we say line, so first sound is L sound, that's letter L. Net, net, net. The first sound is N sound, which is of letter N. Pencil, pencil. So the first sound is P, which is letter P, and house, house. The first sound is, and letter H has this sound. Now this is how the first sound which we hear or pronounce is beginning sound. Now there are words which have same beginning sound. For example, it's pin, pan, and pen, right? You see, better for all these words, the first sound and the last sound is same, but only the middle sound is changed and the word is changed. It means every sound in a word is important, all right? So let's practice it through an activity. Teacher will divide class in groups and teacher will assign a different initial sound to every group, okay? So teacher, you will decide which sound you are giving to every group. Each student in the group will say a word with the initial sound assigned to the group, okay? So every child in the group will say at least one word with the sound which teacher will tell you to pronounce, okay? So pause the video, enjoy the activity, and then come back. Yes, my dear students, are you done with it? Good job. Now it's time to practice from your book. It's question number 9. What you are going to do? Encircle the words that begin with the same sound in each row. So here are the words you will encircle. So be careful. when you say the words which have same beginning sound, you will encircle them. Pause the video, complete this task in your book, and then come back. Yes, my dear students, are you done with it? Good job. It was easy for you. It's best and bag, right? And cold and car. It's mug and mill, and it's sad and socks. So we have encircled all the words which have in each row which have same beginning sound. Here's time for your homework. You will write 5 pairs of words, each pair with the same beginning sound. So you will write 2 words for same sound and you will write total 5 pairs. Here is a worksheet. My dear fellow teachers, this worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation links are given. You may click it, download it, and kindly provide a printed worksheet to students for practice. So what we have learned today? We learned that the 4th sound that we hear when we say a word is beginning sound, and we identify words with same beginning sound. So we achieved our SLO to identify the words that begins with the same sound. Are we done with it? Yes, so that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep learning and take very good care of yourself. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.